Hello students, welcome to Computer Hardware Lab class for 6th semester electronic students. On today's class, we will be discuss about to study the installation of scanner. So, how to install a scanner will be discussed inside this experiment, and your equipment required is personal computer along with your scanner. Let's see what is the procedures are there to install a scanner. So this is the scanner. As you are having the idea that scanner is one type of input device and its nature is to convert the physical document or image into a soft copy file. That means when you put any image or photograph or printed document inside that scanner, it scan and convert into a software file. Means from hard copy it convert to soft copy. Okay. Firstly, when you purchase the scanner, along with the scanner, it is giving you one user manual guide. So by reading that user manual guide, you know how to install the scanner. Along with one driver disk is there, that may be in terms of CD or DVD. And driver disk is one type of software that make a connection in between your external device that is related to scanner, printer, whatever it may be, to your system. So for any extra device, when you attach into your system or you install into your system, already it is having one driver disk. So through that driver disk, that device can be activated. Okay. So see the procedure. Connecting the scanner to your PC or laptop into your USB port. That means inside your PC or laptop where you are find the USB port, in that USB port you have to connect the scanner cable for making connection from system to scanner. So after connecting your scanner to your system, turn the scanner on. Some scanners use plug and play facility. That means what? It's a technology that Windows uses to recognize equipment, install it automatically and set it up. So plug and play facility is one type of facility where the user can install the physical device into your PC. After attaching the PC, automatically it start dictate and play. That's why it is called plug in and it start play. If your scanner is plug and play enabled, Windows 8.1 shows a message that is found new hardware message on the taskbar notification area. But most plug and play device will install automatically, then the message changes to indicate that the installation is complete. So if that does not happen, either you are not using a plug and play device or Windows does not have the driver for that device. So on that case, click the found new hardware message to proceed. In the resulting found new hardware wizard, this start only if you do not permit Windows 8.1 to connect automatically to Windows Update. So here click yes option, this time only, and click then next option. And if you are having the DVD for the scanner, insert it to your CD or DVD drive and click next option, Windows 8.1, search for your scanner driver software and install it into your system. So after installing the scanner software into your system, go for control panel, means display the control panel. In the search box type scanner. Windows return a set of links, click the view scanner or camera link is there. Okay, so go for where? Go for the resulting scanner and cameras windows. Click the add device button. Now in the resulting scanner and camera installation wizard window will be displayed. Then you have to click on next option. In the next screen of wizard, click your scanner manufacturer in the list of the left and then click the model number in the list on the right. Okay, so here the scanner name is displayed, just like your whenever you are clicking in add printer, same printer name are display, just like Canon printer, HP printer, Epson printer name should be display, and right hand side it is showing you the model name, just like HP 1022, like such a manner. Okay, so same funda is on your scanner also. Then follow the wizard directions for the model of scanner and you choose in step number 6 whatever the assigned step is there, you should choose like such a manner. By clicking in next option, the scanner is activated. Okay, so here you got the idea that if you are having a physical scanner, so first you have to make connectivity with your scanner and your CPU, that may be your desktop or your laptop. Okay, so by attaching the USB cable into your PC, you have to make run the DVD of scanner driver disk. After running the scanner driver disk, automatically the software is getting activated to activate the physical scanner device. Okay, so after installation of software, you have to search from your control panel or you have to search from your device manager, where you will be getting the detailed information about scanner and camera installation wizard is there. Just like here it is showing you the wizard information, you have to select it, then click in next, then finish option will be there for finishing the installation. Clear? Now after installing the scanner, next question is arise, how to scan a picture or document by using the scanner. So once your scanner is installed, use the Windows Scan app to scan a picture or document. Okay, so here is the procedure. Means you are having one scanner app is there, that app is installed by running the driver disk. Okay, first is need to install the Windows Scan app. Then the procedure is make sure your scanner is turned on. After on the scanner, open the scan app by using the search box. Then after opening, place the item you want to scan face down on the scanner flatbed and close the cover. That means you have to insert the paper, the image paper or document, whatever it may be, okay, with a flatbed and close the cover. After that, place the item you want to scan in the scanner document feeder. Clear? Once the scanner and do the following. Under scanner, select the scanner you want to use. Under source option, select the location you prefer to scan from. Under file type option, select the type of file you want the scan to be saved as. For example, you can save the file in different format. Okay, because the format is assigned as maybe on JPEG or JPG or bitmap or PNG, etc. Select the show more to show the save file to option. Under save file to, browse to the location where you want to save the scan file. Select the scan at the bottom of the screen to scan your document or picture. After your scan is finished, select View to see the scanned file before you save it, or select the Close to save it. If you can edit the scanned document or picture in the preview that appear when you select the View option. Okay, so here this is the procedure how you are able to scan a picture or document. Okay.